Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to dual boot Windows 10 and 11. Before we get started, you want to make sure you have a bootable Windows 11 device, such as a USB or a DVD. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is make sure we have some unallocated space we can use. So what we want to do is go into File Explorer, we're going to right click on this PC up here, click Manage, and then wait for this to load. Once we have it here, we'll bring this over here more. We want to click up here, Storage, and then Disk Management. And then you want to make sure you have unallocated space. Right here, we have 152 gigabytes. You want to make sure you have at least 150. So, in order to do that, you want to right click on this, click Shrink Volume, and then it'll show up here. And then you want to put the amount of gigabytes you want in megabytes. So you want to put, for 150 gigabytes, you want to put 150,000 megabytes. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to click Shrink. I already did it, so I don't need to do that. But then what you want to do is insert your bootable USB device or DVD into your computer, and then you want to restart it. Alright, so once you restart your computer with a bootable device in it, it'll say press any key to boot to USB or DVD. So once you do that, it'll take you to here. What you want to do next is click Shift F10, it'll take you here, and then you want to type in reg edit, like so. Alright, so once you do that, you want to click H key local machine, system, and then here you'll see setup. I'm going to right click and click new, and then new key, and then name this key here lab config, like so. Alright, once you do that, you want to right click in here and click new, and then you want to do dword 32-bit value, and then you want to name this one bypass RAM check, spelled exactly like this. And then you want to click enter, and then right click and click modify and value data 1. And then you want to do it again, new dword 32-bit value, sorry. And then you want to name this one bypass TPM check. So bypass TPM check, spelled again exactly like this, or else it will not work. And then right click again, click modify value 1. And then once more we want to do new dword 32-bit value, and then name this one bypass secure boot check, spelled like this. Alright, once you've done that, you can click modify again, value data 1, click OK, and once you've done that, you can X out of here, and then we can click next, install now. hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends, and until next time, goodbye.